Choosing where to place your compost bin or pile is key. You want a balance of sunlight and shade. Start your composting journey in the kitchen with a small container for scraps. This makes transferring to your main compost easy. Once you've chosen the ideal spot, setting up your compost bin or pile maximizes efficiency and decomposition. A good location helps manage temperature and moisture, critical for composting success. It's all about giving your compost the best start. Thanks so much for joining us today. Starting a composting journey enriches your garden and our planet. Turning waste into treasure is a great way to harness the environmental benefits. We'd love to hear your composting stories and tips. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. If you found value in this composting guide, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us grow this community. Craving more gardening wisdom? Stay tuned for additional tips and tutorials. Together, we can cultivate a greener world.